Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave comments down below, like and share this video. And in this video here, you're going to definitely put comments down because I'm doing a review on an iconic content creator that everyone respects. He's OG, okay, and he been doing a lot of deliveries with Doordash. And you can tell that it's raining pretty hard in my city. I don't know if you're able to can see it, but we're gonna do a review on your boy right there, Mr. Flex. I'm not gonna play his video, even though it's just 2 minutes. His voice is so low you won't be able to hear it anyway. He's cool, calm, and collected as usual. And I will give you my honest review on what he was talking about. He gave me permission when he said that if you agree or disagree, you can respond to this video. I do reviews, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to do an honest review on Mr. Flex. Now, in my opinion, Mr. Flex and Bentley Coupe probably have done more deliveries on DoorDash than any content creator in our niche. If I'm wrong, somebody can correct me. You know, somebody else can correct me on that. What he was talking about, you know, doing deliveries by the hour, making money by the hour, getting paid by the hour. Everyone know I'm a diamond collector. And I'm on the diamond program / Top Dasher. We already heard rumors that the Top Dasher program going to be phased out and the diamond program going to replace that. I have done videos on it as well. What he's talking about that a lot of people, you got a lot of drivers who rather make money. They feel they make more money per order than per hour. And I'm like him, what's the difference? You know, if you get that one order for $45, you made $45 for that hour. If I get 3 deliveries within an hour and I make $35 an hour, I treat the diamond program, ladies and gentlemen, just like I do the pizza program. Once I get deliveries, I try my best to make $25 to $35 per hour. I'm averaging $25 to $27 per hour when it's slow. I make most of my money during the dinner rush and off hours at night. That's when I make my $35 and $37 an hour. I will be showing the numbers of last week. I had a short week and everything, ladies and gentlemen. And I had 9 large orders. 8 out of 9 paid good. One of the orders out of the 9 large orders didn't pay anything. It was a no-tip large order. He's right. You're not going to get back-to-back large orders all the time. But when you do, you work with that. You work within the algorithm. That's what he was actually saying. And I work within the algorithm. I got so many strategies that I use. It's a new way of cherry picking what he was telling you. And you got some people saying that cherry picking is dead. Cherry picking is not dead. We all cherry pick. There's a difference between catfishing for orders, pitching orders, and cherry picking. The new method of cherry picking, ladies and gentlemen, when you do the diamond program, is a more advanced level of cherry picking. And you discover new ways to cherry pick for orders. Keep in mind you got competition out here. Keep in mind you got people that's oversaturating zones in restaurants, okay? You have to figure out a strategy and discover that strategy for yourself on how you can still be competitive and get the money that you need. See, it happens every time once I get ready to do videos. See, people know that I be trying to publish videos, and I think they purposely trying to disrupt what I'm getting ready to do. This is the announcement I'm going to make on that. If I'm not answering folks' phone calls, I'm working on videos. But I will get back to you, because what I'm getting ready to do is I'm not going to allow any phone calls to interrupt me for working on my narrative, on how I do my reviews, how I do my vlogs, how I do my strategies, information, and tips to help drivers out here make money. Now, I'm not going to give all my top secret information, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in a very competitive market, you know, and a lot of them won't subscribe to the Doordash Revolution, but yet they learning from the Doordash Revolution. Then they smash the zone the Doordash Revolution is in, and they try to pitch and catfish them orders to the Doordash Revolution. I got a strategy that you guys can't be able to do that anymore, and I'm not going to reveal it. But back to what Mr. Flex was saying, and yes, this is an honest review to Mr. Flex. I agree with him 100%. Now, if you own the Diamond program and you understand how to comprehend what you're looking at on your app, comprehend what's going on in your hotspots, comprehend on what's going on in your zones. And I'm not going to get any deeper than that, because I want you to start using your own thinking cap there, using your own brain, and listen to what I just said and ask the question for yourself is, okay, I can relate to what he's talking about. It's oversaturated. How can I still make money in an oversaturated zone? Oversaturation of where the restaurants is, the best restaurants, and know how to decipher where to go, where I can maximize my money by hour. I'm dashing with other drivers across the United States, and I did it with several of them already. I have them on the phone. We communicate as I'm driving around. We talk about our zones, we talk about the problems we facing, and then we come to a consensus of solutions. Sometimes they give me solutions I never even thought about, and then vice versa. One driver was like, wait a minute, man. I mean, he was counting my money. He was counting. He was like, we comparing numbers here. And I think this what used to piss the cornbread off. He was like, man, I'm out here all day, man, doing DoorDash, and you do deliver that, you do Grubhub, and then when we talk, you back on line around 12:30 or on 2:30, and within 4 to 5 hours, you know, you made just as much money as I made, or you just a few dollars behind me, and I've been out here 8 hours. He felt a certain kind of way about that. I told him there's 4 phases or 4 levels of doing this Diamond program. You know, he just became a top dasher and Diamond driver this month, and he's learning phase 1 on how to collect these diamonds. You got to know where to go. You got to know what you're doing, and you got to know the habits and behavior of your competition. That's the information I want to give you right now. I will be doing a video showing my last week numbers, and I will be trying to also point out the Diamond orders and the large orders I received last week. Because I received 9 large orders last week don't mean I'm going to get them this week. That's what Mr. Flex was saying. I'm all right with that. But my Diamond orders, I get them back to back, back to back. I get them 3 in a row, 5 in a row, 7 in a row, 13 in a row. The highest I had is 15 in a row. Double stack Diamond orders plus triple stack Diamond orders plus. I will be showing it in the community post. I will do my videos where I show, and I'll walk you down through the DoorDash app of them days, of how much money I made per hour, consistently for 2 hours, consistently for 4 hours, consistently for 5 hours. I know what I'm doing. I have crushed cherry picking, and I am collecting diamonds. This is a new way of cherry picking and a new method of cherry picking. You're going to have to be able to read between the lines and discover truth for yourself, how you make it work for you. I'm not going to tell those secrets, and then no sooner as you guys catch on to how to do it, Doordash flip the script on you. Peace, take care, and have a good one. And Mr. Flex, I salute you, man, and thank you for allowing me to do a review on you. Talk to you later. Make your money. Decision making. People talk about it. It's based on your market, demographics, your city, your zones, oversaturation. But most importantly of them all is the individual and his or her decision making. Leave comments down below. I will be doing more reviews, ladies and gentlemen, because this is a review channel. I'm not going to stop doing reviews because people need to learn what's happening out here. And I'm not a Mr. Know-It-All. I'm not a big shot, as somebody trying to say about me. I'm not the president of the gig community, unless you guys vote for it. And I doubt that. I'll make the most hated gig community content creator of the year. I'm all right with that. I'm cut from a different cloth. I'm writing my narrative. Can't no one else tell me how to write. One person said, man, you threw a teaser in there, man. You didn't get back with that information. Oh, I'm gonna get back with that information. It's called a hook. You just stay tuned to the next episode. You will see it soon. Right on. Make that money. Happy holidays to you all.